welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to continue on with our camper van build. So we're going to do issues 60 and 61 of Build the Samba Camper, and kind of following suit. There's not much to do. Well, there is a few bits to do. 60 we've got to work on one of the wheels, and 61 will be fitting the exhaust and the air filter, so going to look nice by the end of it. Now I will put the wheel on for obviously per the instructions, but what I will be doing after is I will actually be taking it off, and that is the reason that I've had drilled into me since I started racing RC cars when I was a kid, and that's really never work on a model with without all four wheels on it. So what I'll be doing now, I'll take it off, and then when we get to the point where we can put all four wheels on the camper van, then I'll put all four wheels on it, and then it'll be a rolling chassis. But at the moment I just like to take them off, plus the fact you don't want it wheeling anywhere, which can happen. You want it to stay sturdy, and you don't want to put any unnecessary weight on certain parts. It's just something I've learned along the way anyway, and it works for me. You don't have to actually do it, but I'm really looking forward to this one today, because it's nice to be working a little bit more on the back end, and plus the fact we're actually going to be putting some bits on there as well, so it makes the draw go down just a little bit more, because man, drawers are getting full behind me of car parts for different models. Anyway, let's get started on this one today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so we are going to get started on the left rear wheel in this issue. This is number 60, and I've got the tyre here soaking in some boiling hot water. These are some of the toughest tyres to get on I've ever encountered, so these definitely need to be soaked for a few minutes, but that has been doing so. So I'm just going to pick it with a screwdriver because the water's incredibly hot and I don't want to get burnt. But what we're going to do quickly is just dry that off. You should go to act fairly quick because that is starting to stiffen, and then what we do, get as tight as we will and get it on. When you're dealing with hot water, you've more or less got to have hot out the kettle ready to go, because by the time you do an intro, you've recorded that, you've got your hot water still standing there. It's probably gone blooming cold by the time that happens. Anyway, right, so that is our rear wheel for the left. Now what it's asking us to do is to put this on, but like I explained, I'm going to do this for the sake of the build, but I will be taking it off, so just making sure I put these hubs back on. Help if I put them on the right way. So that one goes in first and clicks in. Then this one goes on. Doesn't need to click in. Then we get this tyre and just rotate until it clips in. Not that happening obviously. And then we need a BD01 screw to screw it in, so I'll just do that again. So that's nicely clicked in. BD01 screw, it was nicely clipped in. This one about a rolling chassis and not just keeping a wheel on it. Okay, so we've more or less put the screw in. Now I'm going to put it all the way down, then we get a little hub cap, put it on the end, and that will be our wheel. Now I'm going to take this off because, like I said, I like to do it my own way. I will make sure that the BD01 screws are safe, but I'm just going to place that on there for now. And that is the that is stage 50 complete. Okay, so moving on to stage 61, not 50. We are going to be working back on the rear, and we're going to be putting the air filter on first of all. So with it around this way, for me it's going to go just on top, just there on the engine. looking superb. And then if we flip this over, we need to get our exhaust. Now with it, oh goodness me, way around this way, we basically need to make sure that these pipes go in to where they need to be located. So, is this going to be easier? Probably said than done. Right, so there's like a bit at the top. Does this go into anything? No, it doesn't. Right, so we need to give me a no fit. I think this would have been better with. No, that's better. I'm putting it in wrong. Right, so we push it down into the two holes down there that we've got. Then pop these pipes into place. That's another one in. Everything's sticking to me here. And then that's into place. And that is the exhaust pipe on. Wow. Wow, that was a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be. So there we have one exhaust pipe on, one air filter on, and that is stage 61 complete. Well guys, that's it for the camper van for this week. Nice two little easy issues there. Like I said, we've just done the left wheel for the camper, and then obviously we fitted the air filter, and we also fitted the exhaust, and it's looking absolutely superb. Really impressed at the moment with it. I know in 62, as far as I'm aware, we do another tyre and fit that, and then in 63 we really don't do anything at all. So yeah, nice short ones coming up, but that's just the way the build is at the moment, and I'm sure it'll get better. I've had a look a little bit further ahead of what we're doing, and it's going to start getting, you know, a lot bigger, a lot better very, very soon. So fingers crossed for them ones. Anyway, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always guys, stay safe and bye for now.